What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be playing with some new makeup and I'm actually really excited. I have a hard time with my skin, especially now that I am pregnant. I am currently 18 weeks pregnant and my eczema has gotten worse. My skin has been very dry and very flaky. So I feel like everything shows on my skin nowadays, so I'm excited to see like how well these products worked on my skin. So the brand I'm going to be talking about and playing around with today is called Merit. I have used their products here on my channel before. I have used their foundation and a little highlighter stick, and I till this day use these almost pretty much every day. I love this little glow stick. It just makes you look really dewy and hydrated, and I use it all the time. But today I'm going to be testing out a lipstick and a not a powder blush, and it's not like a liquid, it's just more of like a cream blush, and it's actually really neat because it just gives you a little bit of color without being too like overwhelming. And then you just put it on top of your like your foundation stuff, because it is a wet consistency, so you don't want to like put on all your powders and then put this on, I feel like. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to use the products today and do my everyday makeup look how I would normally do it, just testing out these products. So
I love fake friends, they're the best. To have friends like these, legion energy thieves. Man, I wake up every day feeling blessed. Boy, you know I ain't stressed. Whenever I need, they'll be here on my phone screen, the place I take the weight off my chest. Man, this feeling is the best. Serotonin to my cellular phone, getting dressed in some clothes I would never even know. Cracking jokes at a function when I'd rather be home. Forming shallow conversations with some beard and a plastic smile. Giving away all my fucks, I'd rather be alone. Let me set the tone, just myself with the stars, now I'm in my zone.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the realest of them all? They'll wash it up our noses, bottled up emotions. It gets lonely at the top, wish I had someone to talk to. Had to cut some people off, pushed me to the edge, find my way again.
More than you know, more that lies beneath the surface, more than I'll show. I need you so. If there's one thing that's for certain, wherever you go, I'm going the same.
you guys, I have literally done my eyebrows the exact same for years. I have always used the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade, can't talk, and I also used their eyebrow brush. So it has like a little spoolie on one side and then an angled brush on the other, and literally this is how I've done my brows for like as long as I can remember.
Against all logic and discernment, wherever you go, I'm going the same. Yeah, when our time has finally come, I'm my eyes beside your love, and when the music begins to slow.
My skin has been absolutely awful during this pregnancy. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my skin is just so peely and dry and scaly, and my lips are really red and everything, but just kind of gotta deal with what we have, right? So the eyeshadow palette I've been using pretty much every single day is this Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, which I have not used in a long time. I used to use it a lot when this was popular. But the shade I have been reaching for a lot is this guy right here. It's just a very, very neutral, like everyday color, I guess. So I put this like in my outer corners and then like a shimmer on the inside.
To have friends like these, legion energy thieves, man, I wake up every day feeling blessed. Boy, you know I ain't stressed. Whenever I need, they'll be here on my phone screen, the place I take the weight off my chest, man, this feeling is the best. Serotonin to my cellular phone, getting dressed in some clothes I would never even know. Cracking jokes at a function when I'd rather be home. Forming shallow conversations with some kid in a plastic smile. Giving away all my fucks, I'd rather be alone. Let me set the tone, just myself with the stars, now I'm in my zone.
And I've literally been doing this for years. I literally just like do that circular motion and then that like windshield wiper motion. There's just like no other way to blend it out, I feel like. So again, just putting that like shimmery color on my eyelids, and I literally just use my finger and then I'll just kind of like buff it in. And that's literally it. Sometimes I'll go back in and like touch up stuff if I need to. But I have been working at 5 o'clock in the morning, so this is typically what I would do if I was doing makeup quickly and just simplicity, however you want to call that, but that's literally it. Just enough to look human. And then sometimes what I'll do is take just a black eyeshadow, and this is from a Morphe palette that I have, just an old one. But this is the palette that I use, and I take this black color in the corner. It's literally just like a matte, super, super dark black. And what I do with this is take a flat brush, like this, and it's super, super thin. I literally just make like a false eyeliner, if that makes sense, on my corners of my eyes. So I'll show you here what I do. But I literally just like put it down here in my lower, not my lower lash line, but my lash line, like where eyeliner would normally go. I just put that black and just kind of smudge it. It doesn't need to look perfect or like eyeliner. I just want it to be like a little darker right there. So it has a little more definition. Alright friends, that is pretty much all I had for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you guys give a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for future videos. Also, if you have any video requests or ideas that you'd like to see, make sure you guys comment them down below. I'm really looking for some new ideas, especially now that I am 23 weeks pregnant at the end of editing this video. And I just feel like I really want to make some fun videos, maybe about like my baby shower and prepping for that. We did just get a new king-size bed today, so I plan on redoing our bedroom and just doing all kinds of things to prep for baby. So I will definitely think of some videos for the future, but if you guys have any requests, comment down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
I love fake friends, they're the best. To have friends like these, legion